Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find direct deposit form on CIBC app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular CIBC on your mobile browser. So right there you can simply choose to type in CIBC direct deposit form, or you can simply choose to come over here and see your CIBC official page, and right there you can see you do have the key points how you can use it and what it's gonna help you with. You have to scroll up to the bottom and you have to simply choose the option how you would like to set up. So let's go to this mobile section for us. Here in this section you simply have to sign into this CIBC mobile banking app of yours. You have to select the account you want to deposit your money into, and step 3 would be simply tap on this account info to get your institution number, transit number, and account number. Right, once you have gathered all of the information correctly, so you can see to give this information to your employer or your provider you may need to download and fill out the particular form. All you have to do is tap on it and simply tap on this download again, and you can see currently we cannot unfortunately open that particular file of ours, but all you have to do is download that file and simply open it up. Once you have opened that particular file, you will be able to access all of the information that you have to put into it. This will simply gonna look like this kind right over here. As you can see, all you have to do is simply enter the information accordingly and simply provide it to the employer right over there. If you're doing this from your web desktop, you can choose to that option, and you can see step will slightly be changed. All you have to do is simply follow along and you will be able to get the form and fill it out accordingly. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.